If you happen to see a large bird soaring gracefully along the creeks and coastal wetlands, there is a good chance it is an Eastern Osprey. You will often see them diving feet first into the water and emerging with a large fish clutched in their powerful claws. They build their large nests in old trees overlooking the water when they're available. After eating his share of the fish, he returns and trades places with the female to nest the eggs. This allows her to leave the nest to feed and bathe. This is the second time the osprey have mated within a week. He's looking together, isn't he? Being a keen fisherman, the resilient osprey will nest anywhere there is plentiful food and nesting material nearby. With a population of over 500,000 people, the Gold Coast is the 6th largest city in Australia.